today I am going to teach you how to make something on canva.com. I am going to teach you how to do something aesthetically pleasing for your business, for your brand. Okay, let's get started and make something cute and easy for your social media. So I think that we should make a cute little video where maybe you could put like a Tumblr video or something like that. So we're gonna click video, and then we're gonna click mobile video, and that is gonna bring us to this screen right here. Our command center is here on the left. You're gonna be able to see that you have all of these template options, and it's gonna tell you which ones are free and which ones are not free. It'll have the little pro option right there for you, so just keep an eye out for that, and you can kind of push play and kind of look at what the flyer would look like. So this is super cute and it's free, so let's go ahead and use this one. Now, down here we've got our elements section, which is basically GIFs, and you can type up and search any GIF at all that you want, kind of like you would on Instagram. Sorry, I don't know what's happening with my hair. So you could do like an arrow pointing, you could do greenery, you could do hearts, you could do like thank you. And then down here, you've got your uploads. This is where you can upload pictures or videos for your creations, and it always stays right here until you delete it. So you can either use what you have saved or, of course, upload new things. And then you've got text. This right here gives you a whole bunch of font options that you can use. Not all of them are free, but a lot of them are. So you can use a lot of these without having to sign up. And another cool feature that this has is music. It has copyright-free music and sounds that you can use for your videos. So as you can see, you have way more options if you pay for Canva. So if you're just starting out, I would recommend to start with the free version. But if you do plan on, continuing to grow your business on social media, this is one of those things that it's definitely worth investing, in my opinion. So let's create like a quick little promotional video, okay? So let's just watch this one more time. Okay, so we're gonna put a video in the background. So I'm gonna click this part, and then you can kind of, when you click on something, it's highlighted so you know which part you're editing. So we're gonna go ahead and create, let's add the video in the background. So we're gonna go to our videos, and I'm just gonna use a video that's already in here, okay? And I'm just gonna kind of wiggle it around, get it to fit the perfect size, right? Well, I need to delete this one that's in the background. Oops, I deleted the whole thing. No need to panic. You can always click the back arrow and it'll take you exactly where you were. Okay, so I'm gonna hold the video and just kind of maneuver it and place it exactly how I want it to fit, okay? And there it is. It looks amazing. Now our video is in the background. I like it. Now we're gonna add a picture right here. And I've got the cell phone highlighted. So now we come over to our images, and you can honestly add whatever you want, right? So let's say that you're taking custom orders for this specific cup or something like that. You can add the video of it. And I don't have a picture of that cup on my iPad or right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use, insert a photo. Let's see. I'm just gonna do this one of these because it's the correct size. Oops, I guess it wasn't the correct size. Hee, my bad. Okay, but it's okay. I can crop it to fit inside of the cell phone. Basically, what you can do is you can just click up here, position, and you can move it backwards so that it is behind the cell phone and it looks like it's inside of the phone. Whatever. And like I said, guys, customize this to your needs and your business, but you could put here, let's see, Myra makes it. Okay. And then you could put Easter sale, right? Easter's the next thing coming up. Actually, Easter just passed because this is my Monday video, but let's just say it hasn't passed. Okay. Easter sale. And then here, I do not recommend for you to ever give 70% off. You still have to stay in business. So let's do 40% off. Okay. So 40% off. Okay. And so you could either put your Instagram handle here or you can put your website. So I could put Myra Makes It .com. Okay, and now look, we're completely done. And if you push play, now you have a really visually appealing little, flyer that you made for your business. And don't forget that you can actually add a sound if you wanted to, right? Okay. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear this because it's connected to my AirPod, but let's try again. Okay, that's a cute sound. Okay, so now we've added a sound. Okay, and if you wanted to add like a little GIF, you also could do that. Those are in the elements, and you can add like, see, for example, you can type in sale. You could type in sale, and it'll give you things that say sale. And you can add the free ones, right? So like if you wanted to add this, right? How cute. If you wanted to, you don't have to, but if you did, and you can change the color up here. If you wanted to add a little sale thing right there. Okay, and then now you're done. You've customized it how you want it. You just push play, right? And in the back, it could be a video of whatever you want. It could be a video of multiple of your cups. Like you could line up all the cups that you have for sale, do a quick little video of them, and that could be the background video. Like I said, this is for you to customize to your specifications. And then up here on the top right, you download it, okay? That is gonna save this to your phone, directly to your phone or your computer, whatever it is that you're using. You click save video right here, save video, and then it's gonna tell you when you're done. And then all you have to do is come back to your photos, pull it up, and now you're ready to use this on your Instagram or anything like that. Right? And like I said, you guys, you can customize this to whatever you want. It could be a sale, it could be an announcement, it could be, something for people to get to know you as a business owner. You could put absolutely whatever you want in any of these templates. The possibilities are truly endless. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments if you would like me to do more videos teaching you guys how to do more templates and different things and different ways to use Canva to make your brand more aesthetically pleasing and bring in more attention to your business. I love this kind of stuff. If you guys enjoy this, I highly recommend you join my mentorship group. We are in the process of having our own app that you'll be able to download on iTunes, on Apple Music, that you'll be able to download on the App Store and Android. So I will keep you guys up to date with all of those things. But if you enjoy learning about how to grow your business and how to create content and how to make beautiful tumblers, I highly recommend my mentorship group because I go into a lot more depth. Thank you so much for watching. Besitos!